salute. Little one. Yo. There's a she-wolf in the closet.
Oh, you know you make me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope, 'cause you.
Whoa. I'll show you past today. Jesus. Come on, she bust her head from the stone. Come and run fast. We don't reach a village. Water looking pretty. Is it cold? It is? Oh my god. Is it just a little? Like how it did every day of the day. Yeah, river calm down, you know. Well, me wash my ear right just you know, so. Time to go. Time to get off my head. Ooh. Oh. Oh! Don't look back yourself. Your belly dip on camera here.
My belly.
Yeah.
Remember my belly? Nobody else see one of my belly.
I don't say nothing.
Proud of my belly.
Lucky.
One pack.
Come on, you're rough, so.
Very. Alright, then be quiet. You want pitbull or you want chihuahua?
I like chihuahua.
You like chihuahua?
Yes.
You're the wrong guy.
I like the big and love me. The big and rough.
Wrong guy.
Wrong smarty, my love, wrong smarty.
Oh, one of them fabulous guys there.
Yes. One of them dainty boy there. Hello. Quite David of a go on, guys. Let me turn it around.
One of them boy hotter than you.
Bumbo.
You ain't even know who's a fight.
Come on, man, dive. Woo! Holy shit. So holy shit.
Sure they'll give me a warm time.
I can't pop it now.
Alright, forget boss.
I know, I saw that. I saw that. I'm scared to bust him ass on camera. It look like my edges them gone, but they're not. Okay, they're there. Them just, what do you call it?
Sleep.
Them asleep. No, them just what do you call it?
On
Lay
the
down.
radar.
Them lay down. Them lay down. My edges them there. Whoa! Oh, wow. Yeah. No, the girl. Fuck that. He's like, no, not me.
I just took 5 stars. I love this little setup you guys have over here. It's so cute.
Thank you. Murder, she wrote. To murder. Murder for someone. There's a she-wolf in the closet. Alright, let's go watch this, Ed. We finally get it pulled out. Look at this. Look at all of this. Why the man do this video? Why you video, sir? Why am I video? Yeah. Anyway, cuties, let's watch this here because this is a lot right now. Come on. Okay. I swatted this block. One peeping.
That's a code. You can do it. You can do it.
Oh, Jesus. This is a lot.
Oh, yeah, get it in your head.
Don't cut the strand here a while ago. I think we have to go down this one. What kind of wickedness is this? Luckily. No, this is serious. This is serious.
You never you think I joke me that make?
No, God, you can't come in this stuff. No, you want to ask, but they can't come in the water. Yeah, you have to chill.
Yo, a long time I tell you, say, yo, I quit. Just dive.
Massa! Oh, one plate. No, no plate out here.
Plate. For door.
Throw one up on the head. Alright.
We can get cup
One cup there.
in the igloo over there, so.
Yeah, give me one cup. No, right?
You good? You can dip now.
No, sir. You're back with a trouble, you know.
Trouble there.
No trouble keeping. Woo! They kind of shampoo there.
Shampoo. You know, say if you dip it, wash out quicker.
You know about the nerdy. You take my time and worry yourself. Wash the ear back for you. For you. Huh? Boy, one more time.
Go on again now.
Yo.
Yeah man, you know you don't talk about it, I want to feed it something there. I feel like I eat this yesterday, you know?
Yo, 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 oh, yo, yo, man.
Yo!
Oh man. Look what
Yo! No, I eat that thing.
You couldn't go to the military, man. You
someone couldn't go in the military.
You couldn't go to the military with them lazy body, yeah. You have to be in the ice water, man.
Jaja!
Come on, head too.
Yeah, alright now. Yeah, you get back one session, alright now.
Come on, be gonna come on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But wait.
Yeah. Jaja. Woman are the root of all evil.
Right now the water
wicked.
feel warm.
Eh, when me turn my back.
Yeah, but you don't feel it nice now. Where you go? Deep down in the water now. You tell us say warm. Put them warm now.
Me I go home.
What is it?
Wickedness.
Come on, when you go, you're done wet. Where you
Wickedness.
go?
Me I go home. Wickedness increase. Don't you? Yo, that is man.
Yeah, see there? Don't be young, suck up water in my condition. Give me. I'm gonna know on the ear feel rough so. Louis, you need some of this. This is the way you
I'm not joking this.
soak your body in a little cold water, make your bone them strong.
Hey, you chat tough now? When you come in the water, I never hear the tough chat.
But that before.
Eh? Oh, you get bossy now.
Yeah. What a nice window.
Yeah, man. Water fully active.
Why? Stop the camera over here. Stop it with it. Why is that?
Yeah, man, that's so nice, man. You go and bounce yourself. Yeah, you see if little sun did out, it's not perfect. Yeah. Even with the water temperature now, little sun right now, that's good. Hurry up and watch it here, man. Yeah. And it's so clean with the water, you know.
Wash out this.
If you want it. Yeah. Yeah, man, you can- that's what he's done.
Push me away, man. Whoa, what's that going on? It's not pushed away.
And then have Yeah.
No, you. Come on, you can't do me. I'm gonna ask me now water. Go back up there, though.
Yeah, you are fight about a fight about this, you know.
What I mean, I mean,
Correct.
current of pull me. Can't do so long. That's what you
Yeah,
do.
this is yeah. Go ahead now. Got ready for walking space, yeah.
Nossa, but Midges then gone for true. Where is the rug and soap? Let me get a fresh. People don't think you eat the food, you know. So cute is me cut off the whole of my hand. Whole of my hand bun. Stove bun me up. And we are roast the fish them the other night. But anyway, we're gonna bed and come out of water. Cause it's cold and camera shake like what that?
You really bring rag and soap?
Look how camera shake cute. No matter. Nice.
Me to tell you.
Come back in.
Yeah.
Bring my phone. I don't like how your phone take picture, Virgin.
Where your phone?
In my bag. Alright, cuties, we'll take two thumbnails and we be back.